Clarita Auto Sound, and today we're working on a 2018 Dodge Charger. This will work with a lot of other Chargers. It has original 8-inch screen. We swapped it out. We put in a 10-inch Pioneer radio. So this is the radio here. What we did is there's no actual space behind the factory screen, so we mounted the radio in the dashboard, and we mounted the screen here. We pretty much relocated the radio area. The vents are very well. It's very slightly blocked, but doesn't really intervene with the airflow of the driver and passenger side. So this allows a really big screen to be placed in this Dodge Charger. This radio has a 10-inch screen display. It has wireless Apple CarPlay, wireless Android Auto, and we also use the Maestro MRR piece to connect to the car, so it has awesome features. So this is the actual factory radio, and then the original screen would be up here. So this radio actually, all these buttons here actually work with the new radio. For example, if I change the volume, it actually changes the volume on the radio. Also, if I change anything with the air conditioning control, it'll actually display on the screen. It does connect to the gauges of the car, so all the gauges will display from the car to the new radio. For example, you got your speedometer, your tachometer, all that stuff. It shows you tire pressure sensors if you have it. This car doesn't have it. It shows you the battery voltage, backup camera. So if you engage the backup camera, the original one will actually display on the screen here. The factory amplifier is retained. This one has the Alpine audio system, so everything sounds the same. Actually sounds a little bit better if you tune the equalizer. All the buttons on the steering wheel controls work, back of the steering wheel, all that stuff. So if you guys want to upgrade your radio, we specialize in a lot of different cars. We do custom installations, just something like this one too. So let us know and we'll definitely help you upgrade it.